All right, we're back at Villa 44, the hidden jungle in the villa, and we're here to look at the current upgrades and renovation. This is the full bath on the ground level. Look at the detail on this door. This is an antique door. This opens up to a full bath. You have a shower with rainfall shower head, then toilet. Okay, got a nice standing vanity there, which is very modern touch. Now the home is still finishing the renovations, and so it's a little bit dirty, so excuse the mess, but we'll be fully and deeply clean. We have the two door. We also have cabinets here. So this is could be set up as a pantry as well. And all of these doors underneath the stairs are all cabinet doors. So this adds more cabinet space for you all throughout the staircase there. We do have the induction cook stove, and we have the double sink. All right, so we do have that set up. Very nice double stove there, and with lower cabinets. Now, one of the requests that we've had was having some upper cabinets. That's a possibility, or potentially having some wall art there. That also can be done. But the current profile is to keep everything low, and so that the home feels very open. And so that's why the current style is without the upper cabinets. Now, this is a seating area, kind of Japanese style. You sit in, and it's sort of like a bench seating there. And so and this also is the sofa area. It serves as the sofa and formal dining room area. We have the bookshelves with the sliding ladder that goes back and forth, which is really cool. So you can have your shelving and your books here. So we do have the garden that is set up, and we do have more tropical trees that will be planted soon. So this entire garden area will be very plush and have a lot of tropical trees here to make it a really nice tropical jungle. There's the other area here, and one of the things I want to show you as well is the front entrance door. It's a very unique door, which we've had in our other video, but I'm going to show it again so that we have a look at that. I'm going to show you the detail on this door here. Look at this door. This is also another antique door. It's one of the unique features of Villa 44 here. And this is technically the very front entrance of your home that has a lot of parking space. So if you have multiple cars, you can park here. The home does feature a one-car garage in the back. So you do have that option, and right in front of us is the Saigon River, which you'll be seeing a lot of very soon. Just take a look here at the front. These are the new tropical trees that we have just installed to make the home really nice. So this is how your guests will enter the home. Again, with more tropical trees. This is again your formal dining room and living room. We do have a large fan here. Gives us some natural air. Also, we will be installing a nice aircon system here. There are some wall art here, very nice, and we have more shelving as we go up to the first level of the home. All right. Now, looking at this garden here, this garden can be fully planted. We wanted to keep it like this so that the guests can have, your own choice as far as what design you would like to put in, right? So that's some things that we can do. Also, I want to make notice of this stained glass windows here that are on all three levels. All right, so this is the first bedroom. This serves as the closet and also open shelving. You have that open shelving on both sides, and we have a queen size bed. The room does have recessed lights hidden, and it has a balcony, which will be laying a nice floor here, so you can have this as a nice area to lounge out. It does have some flower pots there to give some natural wood doors. These are also double doors, so you have the wood doors and glass doors. So depending on how you feel, you can just have the wood doors open to give you some natural feelings and fresh air. So we'll head up to the second level. We do have the wall sconces. Now this is all concrete, polished concrete flooring. Again, we have stained glass on this side as well. We have a tropical trees with the grow light so that it keeps even on the inner side of the house. It does help with keeping the plants healthy and alive. Another thing to mention is that this is a smart home. So everything in the smart home is nicely made and designed so that it gives you an automatic irrigation system. So I can't really see if I can find one here. This looks like a hose to one of the water nozzles, which you can see right here. So it gives you an automatic irrigation of water on a time through the smart home app. You will be connected with the smart home app. So I'd like to show you this side of the home. This is, you can use this as a foyer. This space can be used as, a workspace, and also you have your own sauna. Look at this, right? You have your own hot stone sauna already set up for you. Smells great in here. Smells really great. All right, so we do have that. We do have the hot stones. And this is big. I mean, you can probably fit 8 people in here, right? So this is a really nice, big and spacious sauna here. You got an air vent here to allow some of the steam to go out. All right, I'll show you. We'll first go into the first primary bedroom. All right, so as we go in, we do have the open shelving closet space here. Lower drawers gives you a lot of space here. Full length mirror. All right, and your aircon embedded into there. All right, nice stone table here, very gorgeous. And so let me just give you a preview of the room here, and then we'll give a tour. All right, so we do have some hidden storage space, like on the foot of the bed. This is a sunken style bed, Japanese style, so we'll have a mattress that will go right in this area, which is another king size mattress. And so you do have some storage here. You have lower cabinet storage here, and this serves as your bathroom vanity. Gorgeous piece here with the drop-in, brand new faucet, modern style, and it has a mirror embedded there. Behind that, we have sliding glass doors that open up to this tropical garden, all right, which we have just remodeled, and we have a brand new walls, and that keeps it very as far as dry and keeping the water inside, so the tropical trees can grow nicely. And this serves as another skylight, so you can get some fresh air by opening these windows up. All right, so that's one of the features of this home, is that you have windows on both sides of the house, right? So if you want the aircon on, you can, and have a very air-conditioned home, or you can have just the fresh breeze come through. Again, we're right near the Saigon River, which gets a lot of fresh air coming in. I want to show you, we do have some track lights, and some of the lighting you may want to do a little bit different. Again, those are things that we just kept up to the next tenant and how you can style your light. We do have some lights embedded into the walls here as well. Walking out into the terrace. So we have 2 primary bedrooms that each have their own terrace. This is the garden. Oh, this is perfect timing to show you the automatic water system here. All right, so you see now that's on, and that's watering the plants, giving it some nice water. We do have fans in both areas, inside and outside. Again, this home is about fresh air. This is your sunken tub. All right, so 2 primary bedrooms, they both have a sunken tub, which is really cool. And you have your shower here, all right, with the rainfall shower head as well. And this is a sliding door. I would like to show this to you because you can open and close this, all right, depending on what side you're on. You're taking a shower or you're in the vanity and you would like privacy. You have a recess, you have some shelving there, and a very nice hanging toilet there, which is a modern style, and you have the push button there and the side bidet. And so this door just slides and closes so you can have privacy, okay? So that is the first primary bedroom. And again, it's to show you some of the lights. Also want to point out this netting here. We do have this netting because the previous tenant that stayed here had small children, also had small cats. And so they put this netting up for some safety, right? So this can remain, or we can remove this if you just want to have a more open style of the home. So just take note of that. The home does have security cameras built in that you can activate, and again, use your smart app. All right, so we do have that option for clients who would like more security and safety in their home. All right, so we're walking upstairs and we will go to the next, that is closed as well. We are now in the second primary bedroom. Okay, this has the exact same layout as the first primary bedroom. Again, we do have the drawers there, and I also want to point out we do have some hidden drawers as well. So we just got a lot of storage space. So right underneath this 1, 2, and 3, you have more storage space there. So you have more than enough storage space here. Again, you have your floating vanity here, and here we go. A lot of cabinets and storage space to use for your clothes. Sunken bed, which we will have the mattress there as well. Again, we have the water closet on this side, and we walk out to this terrace, which has another sunken tub. You have your shower with the rainfall shower head. We have the wall lamps there, which were built into the wall. Really nice way to make a wall sconces. There's tropical tree right in the middle. Very plush, very beautiful. We're still refurbishing this garden here, so this is still pending. A nice hanging swing here to relax. I mean, can you imagine just sitting here in this nice swing, relaxing, reading a book, and then you have this as your view. You have the Saigon River right there as your view. Now, come on. Well, what else can you ask for? This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right. The gardens, I do want to mention the gardens do have some nice lighting as well. So it'll bring a very nice ambience light through the home. At nighttime, this home is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So we'll keep going. All right, so this is another area. Again, it's really up to your imagination and how you would like to use this area. And so, you know, this can be another office area, seating area. It could be a secondary living room. You know, one of the things you can do is set up a projector on this wall. This could be a movie room. We could actually install a wall here, put curtains for a blackout so that you have the nice screening. And this could be literally set up as your own private cinema room. This home has so much space and so many options. You know, it's really up to your imagination. And so the home is kind of left in that way so that the new tenant can really put in what their ideas and what their needs are into the project, okay? Again, walking up the stairs, we have the wall sconces. We have this area that is opened up, all right? And this is the top of the ceiling here. So the first area I want to go to is the second side here. This is the rooftop. And one thing that we did is we recently laid down brand new flooring and also repainted all the walls. And we put up a nice rooftop here, which is glass, so that you can even have, this is a nice seating area at nighttime, daytime, whenever you like to choose. But if it's raining, you can still sit out here. We also installed the washer and dryer combo here for housekeeping to use for cleaning. And now entering the most beautiful part of the home, and that is the gorgeous salted swimming pool. Now this swimming pool is about 7 by 14 meters, and it's not that deep, so you can do laps. It's a great lap pool for exercise, but it's also not that deep, so that you can enjoy and kind of have a party in here. So it's really, really cool. We do have tropical trees planted on this side and also on this side, which is really, really gorgeous. So I'm gonna go up and just show you. This is all new flooring, by the way. So we just really made this all brand new. I like the white stone that they have put in, and we have the wood deck here that will set up some nice lounge chairs so people can lounge out and enjoy. All right, absolutely beautiful. And again, you have this amazing Saigon River view. Absolutely beautiful. One of the things that we can do as well, if you would like more privacy, we can put in some more tropical trees to give you some more privacy here from neighbors. And this is it. I mean, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at this big bee or beetle. There you go. All right, welcome home. So this this is the tour. And thank you. Thank you for watching. This is Saigon Cribs. We are here to help you to find the most beautiful homes in Ho Chi Minh City. Saigon Cribs out.